Hey guys, this is the brand new Google Pixel 6a, and right now I'm recording using the main camera on it and comparing it against the Galaxy A53, a popular alternative by Samsung. So let's see which one of these has actually the better camera quality in terms of video recording. And right now I'm filming myself. A better view of what I am seeing in the park here. It's a beautiful sunny day. People are at the beach. We're filming. It's all good. Alright, and let's walk quicker to demonstrate the video stabilization. Looks pretty steady on the Pixel. You also have an ultra-wide camera. This is the ultra-wide camera on the Pixel 6a, and the much wider perspective from the ultra-wide camera on the Galaxy A53. So if you're filming in tight spaces, actually the A53 would definitely be more suitable. But what about the quality? Quality also matters, right? Flipping over to 1x. Alright, hey guys, Vic here with PhoneArena with a nighttime video recording on the Google Pixel 6a, comparing it against the Samsung Galaxy A53 5G, actually one of the best mid-range phones at about the same price level. But let's see how well each of them do in low light, or let's say it frankly at night. Right here, this is the quality that you get with the main camera. This is not the selfie camera, which is pretty much useless at night. And this is my electric scooter, which I used to come here to the park. And you can definitely see that the Galaxy has a wider field of view, while the Pixel kind of crops in, doesn't give you such a wide perspective, which can be a problem, but it is what it is. I also noticed that the Galaxy just lost focus for a while, short while, and the dynamic range actually here on the Pixel does seem a bit better. But this is what I see here on my screen. This is by no means final. The actual file, once you see it on your computer, might be a little bit different. Right, let me walk a bit. And here the Pixel actually exposes a bit brighter, even if it's noisier, while the Galaxy stays a bit darker. Alright, which one do you think does better, the Pixel or the Galaxy?